Hi guys! My name is Ans and welcome to Guitarista TV. This first video, I will make a review of my newest guitar. So I ordered this guitar last 3 days ago, pero since medyo mahigpit dahil lockdown, kahapon lang siya na-deliver. Pero yun nga, mabilis naman, and yung seller, shoutout sa Fermata Music Store. So madaling kausap and very nice. Yan. So they answered all my inquiries. So by the way, this video is not sponsored by anyone, or I just like to... This video, yun nga, I will be reviewing this guitar. It's called the JCraft X. Yan, Telecaster. So LTX. So ano muna kasama nung ano, supposedly dapat this is unboxing video, pero since nung dineliver yung yung item, nabuksan na namin sa labas pa lang para i-check kung yun talaga yung item para hindi magkamali kasi layo pa eh. So hindi na siya unboxing. So magre-review na lang ako about dun sa guitar. Alright. So first, ano-ano yung mga kasama, mga included na freebies dun sa binili kong unit or item. So first, the JCraft strap, yan, with the JCraft logo. Maganda siya, malambot, tapos medyo mahaba din. So I think it's perfect for my guitar. Then next is the guitar cable. Yung ordinary guitar cable lang. Medyo manipis siya compared dun sa sa ginagamit kong Fender. Then may kasama rin siyang Allen wrench. Kaya lang hindi na pasama yung mas malaking Allen wrench for truss rod. So ang kasama lang ay yung maliit for so now this time to show you. This is my new or brand new JCraft X LTX Telecaster, color white. Actually I want the red one sana, kaya lang out of stock. So this is my second choice, the color white. Yan. So what's new about this guitar? Unlike other Telecaster, if you are a Telecaster user, actually I'm only a beginner when it comes to Telecaster. Pero isa yung napansin ko, this one used yung pick-up niya is they use humbucker, tapos dalawang humbucker. Unlike yung isa kong Telecaster, the Clifton Telecaster, and yung mga usual nating Telecaster na nakikita, they use the single coil. Yan, dalawang single coil na na pick up. So now, let's go with the body. So the body is made of mahogany. Yan. And its paint is in matte, or it is in matte finish, as you can see. Then next we go to the fretboard. And the fingerboard is in rosewood. Yan. Tapos wala siyang bullets kung papansin niyo, unlike this one. Compare na lang natin siya din sa Telecaster ko. Isa. Yan. So wala siyang bullet sa sa fretboard, pero dun sa gilid, doon siya meron. Yan. Pero for the beginners, you can still use ito. Yan, tong part na to be guided kung ano yung fret na titipahin nyo. Okay. And then headstock. It's also in matte finish. The headstock is in black color or paint with the JCraft X logo. Yan, so the JCraft X logo. Yung LTX or JCraft X LTX have the same color, the black one. Tapos yung isang design nila, yung T1 or yung single coiled na pick up, I think it's maple yung fingerboard. Then the headstock, it's the same with the color of the fingerboard. So isang buo siya. So let's go with controls. So sa controls, it's a T-style control plate with master volume and master tone. Then it's a three-way. Yan, three-way standard pickup selector. So this part, pataas or pa left, it is for the neck pickup, then the middle, and then the bridge pickup. Yan. And of course, the pickup is, yun nga sabi ko kanina, it's a humbucker. So double coiled, tapos may cover na lang siya, then dalawa sila. Okay, use yan, 6 strings. Tapos pinalow action ko na rin, sabi nung seller, they will also dito set it up ng low action. Yan. Then yung sides, medyo may makakapaka lang na konting-konti lang, pero hindi naman sobrang hindi naman sobrang rough. Yan. So then sa C-type, yung fret, yung neck, the neck is in C-type. Then napaka comfortable sa kamay. Ako, ang para sa akin mas okay to. Yan, tong ganito kalapad. Yan. Right? So yan. So that is the review. Then let's see the demo. That is my simple review of this JCraft X LTX Telecaster, and I highly recommend this. So kung may mga bala kayong bumili ng gitara, this one is a good and amazing guitar. So shout out nga pala kay Mark Deo Esquita for having me borrowed his G1XN. Yan. So ito yung yung gamit kong dun sa distortion and clean effects. Then I also use my global bass amp. Actually bass amp lang yung meron ako dito. I still planning to buy a guitar amp for my guitars. Hope you learned something today, and kita-kits tayo ulit sa susunod na video. So please hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment below if you have any suggestions. Yan. So see you again next time. This is Ans Tolentino, and you're watching Guitarista TV. Bye-bye!